We get the calls too where persons might have made a purchase and simply change their mind. They don't want it anymore. So they go away, they go home. You know what? I really don't want this anymore. Or they might go home. Maybe they bought a dress or an outfit or whatever the case is, and maybe their significant other or somebody said, you know what, I don't like that on you. That color does not look good on you. Doesn't suit you. And so they think, you know what, I carry this back to the store. I don't want this no more. They found it cheaper somewhere else, so they didn't shop around as we always suggest. But then some people will say to us, but you know what, I don't like shopping around. I don't like all this walking. If I see something and I want it, I can buy it. But then you know what, they change their mind, or they might go a few stores down the road and find it cheaper, and they want to return it, because what we found out is that quite a few stores in town are selling the same thing, just different prices. So it might be $5 or $10 less. So they went down the road and saw it for $5 or $10 less, and so they want to return it so that they could go to the next store to get the cheaper price. Or that you decided you did not like the purchase, or you had no use of it anymore. You misused the product in a way that caused the problem. So you didn't use the item to the manufacturer's specifications, or that you were aware that the item had a fault, but you still went ahead and you purchased the product, but then you recognize, you know what, this issue is bigger than what I had anticipated. Or it could be an issue where you asked for a specific service to be done in a certain way, and it was against the advice of the representative. So these are no exceptions where no, you will not be entitled to have a refund or a replacement or an exchange. But there are some businesses who will, we call it good customer relations, might offer you a credit note, and we get the call. So is a credit note legal? It is not listed under our legislation, but what businesses have chosen to do is give you that option, because they are not obligated under the law to give the replacement, the exchange, or the refund. So they say, you know what, we're going to meet you halfway. We're going to give you a credit note. So you have this credit note, and you can use this credit note. They give you a timeline for which to use in the credit note. So you go back maybe within a month or maybe 3 months, and you can use it in the store to get something else. Or they might opt to charge you a restocking fee. And that is a question we get too. So what is a restocking fee? So why are they charging me a restocking fee? Let me break it down for you a little bit where it relates to the restocking fee. If the item is defective, a business should not charge a restocking fee. If you went to the store, and you know, I can speak for myself, you know, sometimes we women go to the store because the tradesman, the plumber or the electrician told you, you know what, you need to get a specific part to do this. So you go to the store, ignorant as it is, but you know what, you're following the advice from the person who did the job. The plumber told me that I need this specific thing, whatever, and they gave you this item. But then you go home and it doesn't work. You took the advice of the rep in making the purchase because you didn't know what you were buying. But based on what you said, they said, man, this is what you want, man. You want this specific item. Man, I know what you want. We get it when we go in the store. Yes, this is what you're looking for. So, like I said before, you have a right to rely on the information they give, and you make the purchase. But you go home now and the plumber come and say, you know what? That ain't what you want, man. You bring the wrong thing. You return it, and the business says, you know what? We're going to charge a restocking fee. In that particular scenario, the business should not charge a restocking fee because you relied on the information given by the salesperson to make the purchase. It would be different if you went and you said, you know what? I need that green door. It's going to open on the right-hand side. Yes, that is what I want. That is specific. Yes, this is what I want. So you knew what you wanted and you made that purchase. If now you go and you know what, it shouldn't open on the right-hand side. It should have opened on the left-hand side. So you have a problem and you have to return it. Then the store if can charge a restocking fee because you were sure that this is what you wanted. You didn't get any help to make your decision. That was what you wanted, and you got what you wanted, only to realize it was not the right thing. So a business should not charge a restocking fee if an item is defective, or if you made the purchase based on a recommendation by one of their sales reps. So I need to make it clear. If you change your mind and the business wants to charge a restocking fee, they're in their right to do that. So they're going to meet you halfway. Should we say how much that restocking fee should be? We do not decide how much it should be, but we say it should be a reasonable amount. So they shouldn't take half. They shouldn't take 50%. And what we have been seeing is that they would normally charge a 15% or so restocking fee for taking back the item.